family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today I am bringing you a Dollar General haul, deals that you can do now. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you'll be notified when I bring you these deals on the low. Yes, I mean the low. All right, so if you hear anything in the background, I do apologize. That is my husband. So I do apologize for that. Also, I was wondering what I was going to do for the deals that I can do now this week. And I seen Christian Mitch Saves here on YouTube. She is really good as far as couponing. She usually do a lot of Walgreens, and then also she do Dollar General, but majority of hers, I believe it is Walgreens, so you might want to check her out. It is, like I said, it's Christian Mitch Saves, okay? So, went into Dollar General, trying to find some things, and you know how some Dollar General stuff be all over the place. You know, if you know, you know, okay? So, the first thing I got was this Oral-B. The Oral-B Bright and Clean, if you still got that coupon clipped, it is a $2 off digital coupon. Now, the Oral-B is $1. And you know, if you in a old store, you're going to get $1 overage because these are $1, but the digital coupon is $2. But if you're in a new store, and when I mean by new store, the receipt, okay? The receipt on the new store and the receipt on the old store is different. So if you are on a new store with the receipt, then the digital coupon is just going to go down to $1. That's it, okay? So this is giving me overage because I did go to a old store, all right, for the old receipt. So my next thing is this Clorox. Now, the Clorox, you have to get I think it's 43 ounces. I think it's what the digital coupon says, but it's $1 off. Either you can get Clorox or you can get Pine Sol. And I think that's it, the only two that you can get. And the Clorox is $4, so $1 off digital coupon. And you know, you can't go no wrong with Clorox. Clorox is good around the house. You can go no wrong with that. All right. So then the next thing I got was these Dawn Easy Squeeze 4 times faster, which is the no flip, no mess. And they look like they will be okay. I haven't tried them out yet. I do have a lot in my stockpile, but I haven't tried them out yet. So these are, let's see, the Dawns are $2.85. Now, I don't know if they actually scan for the other one that is taller than this. I know when I looked at Christian Mitch Saves, she said that the other ones didn't scan for her. This one is the only one. So I just went into the store and picked these up. I didn't even try to see if my coupons would scan for that. I just was going off of what she had said. And plus, I was trying to get in and out of the store anyway. So, again, these are $2.85. There is a digital coupon. I believe this digital coupon came out last week, I believe, a week before last. I can't remember. But it might be still on your coupons for you to clip. But it is $2.99, okay? But the trick on this coupon is, it's really not supposed to scan for just 2 of them. I think it was supposed to scan for a big Dawn. And then you get this one, might as well say free, because you're paying you're getting $2.99 off. But it is glitching on here, if that's what you want to call it. So you pick up 2 of them, but make sure that when you're in the store that you scan it and make sure that your digital coupon does attach. So, like I said, these are $2.85. When I scanned everything, the $2.99 did come off for both of these. So after I put everything up there, she scanned everything. I put my number in, My subtotal was $4.71, y'all. This is the first time in a while that I had got a total of $4.71. Because y'all know how I do. I see stuff and I keep on going. I keep on going. Because I'm seeing I'm getting stuff free. So, this store didn't even have the stuff. So, I couldn't do that. Which it was a good thing. So, the subtotal was $4.71. And then with, you know, everybody's taxes is different. So let me show you my receipt and show you how much I paid. Hold on. Here you go. So there is the Oral-B. And you see where the $2 and the Oral-B is $1, but the $2 digital. Then there's both of the Dawn Easy Squeeze. They are $2.85 for both of them a piece. You see the $2.99 came off. There's the Clorox. The Clorox is $4 and the dollar did come off. If I didn't have the dollar digital coupon, I probably wouldn't have got the Clorox. I probably would have tried to get something else because I was trying to see if they had the Welch's juice, but they didn't have, all they had was peach and I didn't want peach. So the subtotal was $4.71. And then also they did not have no Scott paper towel, you know, the 6 rolls. You can get that too for a cheap price. So there's my total is $5.35. My total savings is $5.99. And I know y'all wondering, or if y'all are wondering, I'm not in my regular shooting place, but you know, I'm all over the place when I'm at home. When I'm wherever I'm at, I will go ahead and shoot a video. All right, so, and you hear my husband in the background holler, whatever. But this right here is my Dollar General haul. If you would just like, subscribe, and thank you for coming by Miss Nanda's channel.